There's a tree on the house type shit, but I'm finna go on this corner. My other video got cut short because I pushed the wrong damn button. Look at this shit right here, dog. Oh, that's in the other one. Let's go. Look at this. Man. Alright, damn, okay. I'm gonna pause this. Oh shit, I see something, dog. Oh, damn! I'm gonna turn around, but I'm gonna go. Oh, it's a double dipper. Oh, damn it. They ain't gonna let me. Hold on. Let me out, pizza dude. It's a tree blocking fucking Wheeler before you get to 7-Eleven down here. But I'm finna go back down, the fuck's this Main Street? Look like the whole, yeah, it's fucked up. I'm gonna go up Main and then turn back around. Come on. Oh shit, I'm out. I'm gonna go up Main, but it's a tree blocking Wheeler down the street. I'm gonna go back that way. But over here is fucked. Let's see if this gray car just turn around. It's shit everywhere. This is, man, this was like 4 minutes worth of shit. Dog. Main Street. Yeah. What's down there? Oh yeah, I see some shit, but it ain't like that though. Oh. Let me see. Let's go down here. There's trees and shit. Damn. Structure. Oh, I knew I seen something. Damn. Let me get my ass in the house. Shit. Ooh. Damn. Right here, y'all. Look at this shit. They is fucked. Wow.
I know.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Damn. Hey, city finna cut every motherfucking tree down behind this shit. These trees don't be playing. See what happened, these motherfuckers be weak from the wintertime when they put them heavy ass leaves on there and these motherfucking and it rains like this, that makes the shit like 10 times heavier. Rain. Breaks all that shit off. Here, let me see. Let me go back down Wheeler. Let's show this big motherfucker. Pause. What's over here? Anything? Hey, it's starting to pick back up right now. Hold on. Oh shit, yeah. Oh shit. I see something. I see some fucked up shit. Ooh, wait, maybe I shouldn't go down here, dog. Maybe I shouldn't go down here. Look at that right here. I don't know. Let me see. Oh shit, I'm finna hurry up. Oh, what the fuck? I just went around the corner. Y'all. Check this out. This big ass shit right here. This motherfucker fell off of that. Let me get away from this shit. You know what? I think I better get my motherfucking ass to the crib. I'm starting to get nervous. When I get that fucking feeling, I get a nervous feeling. Look at this shit. Oh yeah. Look at this. All the yards. Damn. Oh, maybe, hey, sometimes motherfucking be too nosy. Maybe I may be pushing my motherfucking luck today, huh? Let me get my ass. Okay, oh shit. Okay, I'm gonna pause. Wait. Oh, I can't get past this bitch. Oh, dog, can I turn around right here? Oh, you know what? Oh, shit. Damn it. People out here in chainsaws doing shit. I'm gonna get down here closest enough to this tree I can. But I have to turn around and go back to the gauntlet again because it's just scary. Oh, he on wires. This motherfucker on wires. This bitch on wires. This across Wheeler right here. Wheeler is fucked. Wheeler. You can't go down Wheeler. And it's on this wire right here. It's across that wire. I need to give me a motherfucking TV show. I can do that shit quick. Oh, it's wires. Oh shit. Oh my God. Oh shit. Get my ass up out of here. Oh man, I think I done fucked up. And I'm going to the left, buddy. Okay, don't cut me. Oh no, I can't get out. It's fucking tree across this street right here. Oh damn. Oh Lord. It's a tree right there, y'all, if you can't see that motherfucker. Dick. Oh, no. Oh, Lord, let me get my ass out of here. I need to go find me a bridge. Go find y'all a bridge to get up under. Oh, it's gonna come again. If the wind pick up, well, maybe, I don't know. The fucking, oh, shit. Oh, shit. It's fucked up out here, y'all. Damn, it calmed down. Say, hey, Ben, take your ass to the crib. It gave me a break. You know, you have those breaks, but you don't never take them bitches. Come on, truck. All right, what you doing? You blocking me in, dog? Okay. Oh, he going that way with the nigga. Oh, okay. Come on. Can I get out? You can't go that way. The street blocked, buddy. Blocked off. Need a defog. Hold on, let me get a pause real quick. All right, hope I don't feel nothing crazy. Got the camera rolling. Fuck this shit. Let's go. It's all fucked up, y'all. I'm over here by Wheeler, south side, southwest side. Forest Street. Going down Forest. Not Forest, well, I just cut across Forest. This has got to be, shit, this is Grove Street. Division. I'm going down Division. I wonder if I should, what time is it? Shit. Yeah, it's raining. It makes you kind of scary to be driving out here because you don't know what the fuck's about to fall down. Usually when they keep the trees pretty groomed, it'd be alright, but shit. Yeah, I think I'm about to get somewhere safe, y'all. It's giving me weird feelings. Having weird feelings. I gotta stay safe. I'm not safe right now. You know what I'm saying? Like going to motherfucking Limelight or some shit like that. You gotta do shit. I feel like, you know. Hey, you know what? I think my boy stay back here somewhere. Oh, my shit getting wet in the car. Please, man. Alright, please. Alright. Okay, I'm on a Gratian. Larch. Find something to do. Oh, shit. I think I'm done.